Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2014 Cadillac CTS Luxury Collection all-wheel drive. Stock number X103XXA. Only 43,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold the CTS brand new. Red Obsession in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 43,000 miles. It's also where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for the automatic transmission, large touchscreen Q infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. Navigation. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, climate, as well as heated and cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. Spacious glove box with all the owners. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, the CTS has a 3.6 liter V6, 321 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on the CTS, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.